2018 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid Review. The 2018 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid comes in just below the midpoint of our compact SUVs. There are many reasons to like this vehicle, but it doesn't have the all-around quality of some of its competitors. New for 2018. No major changes. Pros and cons. Terrific MPG ratings. Lots of cargo space. Comfortable, spacious seats. Lots of standard driver assistance features. Uninspiring cabin materials. Lower safety ratings than some rivals. The 2018 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid only has one powertrain option. It has ample power for daily driving, and it gets the outstanding fuel economy you want from a hybrid vehicle. The ride is generally smooth and handling is poised, but several competitors are more nimble. The RAV4 Hybrid features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and two electric motors that combine to produce 194 horsepower. A continuously variable transmission CVT, which functions like an automatic, is standard. The RAV4 Hybrid's powertrain has decent acceleration for everyday driving, and it feels a bit faster than the non-hybrid RAV4. Still, the four-cylinder engine and CVT can be noisy. As you might expect, fuel economy is a primary selling point for the RAV4 Hybrid. It gets an EP estimated 34 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Those are elite ratings for a compact SUV, especially one that has all-wheel drive. Still, some competitors, even some non-hybrids, don't trail the RAV4's ratings by very much. While most other compact SUVs come with front-wheel drive, the RAV4 Hybrid comes standard with all-wheel drive AWD, which provides plenty of road grip and contributes to the RAV4 Hybrid's stable handling. This Toyota can't match the athleticism of rivals like the Mazda CX-5, but it has a smoother ride than some of those sporty competitors do. Note that ride quality drops off a bit if you opt for a trim with 18-inch wheels. The 2018 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid has a fairly attractive interior from a style standpoint, but the materials quality leaves room for improvement. There are hard plastics scattered throughout, giving the SUV a lower-end feel. Both rows of seats are roomy and supportive, and cargo space is better than in most rivals. There are lots of standard driver assistance features and an easy-to-use infotainment system. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid seats 5 and comes standard with cloth upholstery and reclining secondary seats. Available features include leatherette upholstery, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and heated front seats. The front seats are spacious and supportive, even on long road trips. Higher trims have added lumbar support. The rear seats have a good amount of legroom and can accommodate even tall adults without much difficulty. The RAV4 Hybrid's latch car seat system consists of an upper tether and two lower anchors in the rear outboard seats. The rear middle seat has one upper tether. This system is incredibly easy to use. You won't have trouble finding the anchor points, and it doesn't take much force to attach car seat straps. Standard features in the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid include a rear-view camera, dual-zone automatic climate control, and an in-tune infotainment system with a 6.1-inch touchscreen, voice recognition, a USB port, and Bluetooth. The Toyota Safety Sense system is also standard. It includes pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, lane keep assist, automatic high beams, and adaptive cruise control. The RAV4 Hybrid has more standard driver assistance features than almost every competitor. The Entune infotainment system won't disappoint you. There are physical controls in addition to the touchscreen, and the center stack is well organized and easy to reach from the driver's seat. The Entune interface is easy to master as well. The bad news is that many rivals offer Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone connectivity, while the RAV4 hybrid does not.